Hello again from the very hot and sunny Austria. I'm a victim of electronic harassment, surveillance and torture for more than 9 years now. Um, at Facebook there are also a lot of victims too, but at the other side also a lot of fake profiles. And now here some advices from me how to see how to recognize such a fake profile. Here are any examples. The perps behind these profiles publish unclear photos. You cannot recognize their faces, or the faces are in some kind red or too small to recognize a person, or they also like very much to wear glasses, or they use also very old photos, for example from the 70s or 80s, unimportant photos, too old photos. Meanwhile the person have changed, right? Everybody understand this. Or they also publish photos of unimportant groups of people, so you should not see who is the real person behind this profile. Or they publish also groups of children or cats. They like very much to publish cats. This should us make believe that the profile is very nice, the person is very nice, the person is very harmful. Or they do not publish any photo of a person, of a real person. And at the other side, this kind of person seems always to be very present here. They begin a lot of discussions, sometimes very unimportant discussions. They want us always say how much they are tortured, and how big the power of these perps and electronic weapons are, and so on. And it's also suspicious that when I, for example, publish very important informations, for example about chilling, or also this kind of videos I make now, suddenly people begin to talk with me, which are not my friends. But how can they so easily find my videos or my photos here at Facebook, under millions or thousands of comments and links and photos and videos? This is very suspicious too. And I think behind this fake profiles must be the same persons or very similar persons, because I also have recognized that they speak in the same way. Or at the other side, one person speaks, for example, very good English, and then 2 days later very bad English. And there also exists groups of fake profiles here. For example, a fake profile have, for example, 100 friends, and when you first you see, okay, this is a suspicious profile, and then you watch the friends, the friends of the person, and you see also that 80% of the friends of this person are perps too, because they don't have photos, or not clear photos, or they 80% of the friends of this profile wears glasses or have very unclear photos, and so on. Also, I think there are a lot of perps on Facebook, and they are all well paid. they earn a lot of money to control us, to torture us, and to observe us. But at the other side, this means also to me that electronic surveillance cannot be enough. There must be also stalkers must be present to observe us. So for me, this kind of techniques, this kind of weapons, electromagnetic weapons, are not perfect. Thank you very much. My name is Astrid Fuchs, and I'm a victim for more than 9 years of this severe crimes. Thank you.